Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Renee. Today's video, I'm going to make fruit gummies. So I have here apple juice and grape juice in a pot. And I got from Agar powder. So this is a plant-based gelatin. And you can see on the packaging, on the back, there's a recipe of 1 cup of juice and a teaspoon of agar powder. So also you can add a sweetener like honey into this, but I didn't in this case. So what I'm doing right now is I'm mixing in the agar powder into the juice and bringing that up to a boil. Um, I'm going to continue to mix it just to make sure that the powder gets well incorporated in there. This is the second time I've made this. The first time I made it with apple cider vinegar and um, apple juice and a little bit of honey. Well, I poured into a measuring cup and poured into my silicone molds. Um, I would recommend using molds that don't have too many details, like that pineapple. Was hard to get those gummies out of that one, but the leaf has larger details, so it was a bit easier. So they do taste pretty good, but I would continue to add honey or some type of sweetener into it because I first thought that because the grape juice on its own was just sweet, I didn't need the sweetener. But I don't know if maybe it's the heating of it or the powder itself that makes it less sweet once the gummies are set. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.